Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, welcome back or welcome in. I am so glad to meet you and virtually see you. Or not. Well, fam, let's get into it. I have discovered and found, okay? So as you all know, your sis has been working to the bone, okay? So the job decided to gift me with a gift card from Target. I had a gift card and I'm like, okay, you can't, I just don't want it to sit on my dresser. I'm not about to, re-gift it. Like, that's just not my thing. So let me go to Target, see what's going on, see what we got. If you're not new to this channel, you know I love a good finery fragrance, okay? We've talked about so many different finery fragrances like Not Another Cherry. We've talked about I Am Musk. I love I Am Musk, okay? But this is the new Rouge, okay? This gives you Baccarat vibes. Finery, the new Rouge. I love this. And if you know about Finery, they do inspired fragrances from popular fragrances that we have out in them streets, okay? Like Not Another Cherry is an inspired fragrance of Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, right? The new Rouge is an inspired fragrance from Baccarat 540. I Am Musk. I don't know what that's inspired by, but it smells really good. It's a musk fragrance. But I was able to spot, okay, get to the point. Okay, here we go. Listen. The body wash. Yeah. Now, if you knew about this, you can't keep it. I know I haven't been here, so you couldn't tell me. But anyway, you could have told me. You could have sent out smoke signals. Body wash? Stop playing, okay? And so to remind you of what the new Rouge, because it has it on the back, smells like, it is golden saffron. We have amber, resin, and sandalwood, all right? So really good. Listen, when I saw this, and do you see the packaging? The whole aesthetics of this, matching this. In love. In love, had to have it, and that's what I spent my gift card on, is body wash. Another 100 body washes that I have in my collection. But no, this I had to get. I could not step out of Target without getting this, okay? Now listen, you might not have this routine, okay? But for me, I normally start off my shower routine with a antibacterial soap, okay? So we do that for like base. That's the clean your body down, okay? Then on top of that, I normally do my foundation body wash, right? Whether that's native, I love a good native, whatever that looks like, okay? So then we wash with that. But then I do this thing, I call it cutesy. My cutesy body wash, okay? This is the last thing that I do, unless I am doing like a oil cleanser or something like that, or a shower oil. Then I'll do that last. But this is my cutesy, and so I am loving that my cutesy looks like this cutesy, and my cutesy is gonna make me just smell so good. I am excited. So your sis had to come to the channel, to her fam, and let you all know, if you are interested, go to your local Target. I did see Not Another Cherry. I did not see I Am Musk. Now, There's somebody out there. Y'all see that? I might have to cop another gift card from the company so I can go back and not spend my own money, but go back and pick up the I Am Must. Man, okay? Love this down. Okay, I am so excited, and I will let you all know what this feels like. To me, looking through here, it's giving me gel. Okay, I'm used to a moisturizing body wash, but this is giving me gel. So we'll see how this works on my lovely sensitive skin that I love to test and try all of these hundreds of body washes that I shouldn't. It's okay. It's okay. But that's all. That is all, fam. So not gatekeeping for you all, even though y'all didn't tell me, but not gatekeeping. If you like a good finery, go get you the body wash. They are at your local Target. Okay? Well, until next time, fam, you be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye. Make sure you subscribe. Thumbs up. I'm going to get all the intro, outro together real soon. Okay. Bye.